Welcome to our AI and machine learning series. In today's video, we'll explore the three main types of artificial intelligence: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI, and understand how they differ in capability and purpose. In today's rapidly advancing technological landscape, it's crucial to understand these distinctions. Narrow AI may assist us daily in our tasks, effectively demonstrating its capabilities in specific areas. For instance, it's fascinating how such systems can outperform humans in their designated functions, yet they lack genuine self-awareness or understanding. Transitioning to general AI represents a paradigm shift where machines could potentially think and operate autonomously, mimicking human-like cognition. The aspiration to develop artificial intelligence with human-like reasoning inspires researchers, innovators, and dreamers alike. As we push the boundaries, we should remain vigilant about the ethical considerations these advancements invoke. Finally, envisioning super AI encapsulates both an exhilarating opportunity and a daunting responsibility, urging us to reflect on our values and the future we create. Artificial intelligence encompasses dynamic and transformative potentials, but as we journey from narrow AI to super AI, we must prioritize ethical frameworks. It's essential that as these technologies evolve, they align with human values and promote societal well-being. Balancing innovation with responsibility will ensure that AI serves as a beneficial force rather than a detrimental one. In doing so, we pave the way for an exciting partnership between humanity and machines in the age of intelligence. As we look towards the horizon of artificial intelligence, it's important to acknowledge the discussions surrounding the ethical guidance of such technologies. With each advancement, especially as we approach the tantalizing prospect of super AI, there comes an overwhelming responsibility to shape its development. We must foster a culture of collaboration, ensuring that as machines become more capable, they enhance human life and respect our values. The interconnectedness of AI and humanity should be a partnership built on trust and understanding, illuminating a path that leads to innovation while safeguarding our shared future. From today's exploration, it becomes clear that as we progress through these stages of AI, we not only unlock greater technological potential but also face the profound responsibility to govern these advancements wisely. We stand at a crossroads where the evolution of intelligence must align with our ethical standards and aspirations. Embracing this journey, we can ensure that AI integrates seamlessly into our lives, enriching our society while honoring the fundamental human values that guide us toward a brighter future. Thank you for watching our in-depth exploration of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has morphed from basic algorithms performing simple tasks to complex systems that can learn and adapt. The journey through narrow, general, and super AI emphasizes the importance of not only technological advancement but also adherence to ethical principles. As we continue to innovate, our focus must shift towards ensuring that these technologies elevate humanity rather than compromise our values or autonomy. By fostering dialogues among scientists, ethicists, and policymakers, we can pave a responsible path forward, ensuring that the evolution of AI aligns with the greater good. In this exciting era of possibilities, our choices today will shape the future landscape of intelligence, one that respects diversity, promotes collaboration, and enhances the human experience. As we navigate through these types of AI, it becomes evident that each stage unveils new possibilities paired with unique challenges. For instance, with the increasing capabilities of narrow AI, we witness remarkable efficiency, yet it also highlights the limitations that come with task-specific intelligence. The transition towards general AI ignites curiosity, fostering engagement among diverse fields and prompting a broader understanding of human cognition mirrored in machines. This exploration serves as a reminder of the intricate dance between innovation and ethical considerations. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. As we embrace these advancements, we must remain committed to ethical discussions and collaborative efforts, ensuring that humanity and AI coexist harmoniously. Remember, the future of intelligence depends